This is Baja Pips, and it's currently Wednesday, October 26th, 2022. It's 2:58 p.m. in Bangkok, Thailand, and you guys can all see it's 9:58 a.m. in Paris, France, or Berlin, Germany. So I have the European clock set because I would like to trade this hour before German lunch is going to happen real soon. So I would like to definitely look at some potential setups. I was watching this market earlier. I'm just going to highlight the fundamentals with you all just to get that cleared up. So there's no high impact news. There was medium impact news around 12 o'clock, but that's not for another couple of hours. I'll be out the market before then. Other than that, there's no Euro or USD high impact news should be affecting my results. So it's a tradable environment for me. Looking right here, I'll explain to y'all what happened. So pretty much price has been moving on up for the majority of the day. You can see that it's on a pretty monstrous uptrend. And this happened right here. So it was on an uptrend and it just struck on up. I managed to get a little bit of that uptrend right here. I bought it and then I just opted out the trade like right away. So it was just a quick in and out because I saw that there was a potential for a reversal. And I was a little concerned because I did see these highs right here. These are last month's highs, and then these are just going to be like the highs of August. So I was waiting for price to reach the highs of August, but we can see that it is not strong enough at the moment. But if I can get a shift up in some moves, maybe I can get a buy-in. But right now, we see some selling pressure just stepped in. And this was the reason why I opted out of my buy early in this previous trade. I recorded that video, but honestly, that video took about 30 minutes of recording time before I even got to this trade. And by the time this setup happened, I didn't want you all to be bored just by watching me wait for price to unfold. And I have about an hour left of work today. So I'm about to just wrap this up. I'm going to show you all exactly where I'm getting in, where I'm getting out, and hopefully we get some trades today. So right now we have a potential break to the upside, but I do believe this is the false break to the upside. If it is, we're going to get a nice push down here and a further push down below. If not, then, we're going to see price continue on up. This is very bullish. So, for me, I don't really see any bears taking over until at least 1.0017. If that low could get broken, then yes, we have some bears taking on over. But as long as that blow doesn't get broken, like this had just happened right here, this is a potential breakout to the upside right now. So what would I do in this case? I want to buy it, but I need to see 1.0041, 1.0035. That's only 6 pips until that high. Me personally, I don't want to take that trade, even though I know it could potentially keep on rising to those highs. Now, things happen and price could just weaken up at the highs. So what it's been doing recently is it's been breaking up, it pulled back, and it just recently broke those highs. This was September's highs. So I need to see some strength in the buyers, and right now the buyers are looking kind of weak. They're looking kind of suspect. So I'm going to just wait. I could take this long. But like I said, 6 pips to me, that's not worth it. So I'm going to look down below. I'm going to see what's going on with these buyers right here. And it looks like I could possibly shift the market. Not me shift the market, but it looks like the market will shift around 1.00277. It's probably when I'm looking for my first entries for sells. So let's see what happens right now as I speak. It is dropping down. That order that I said I would not buy is showing the reason why. I'm going to let price action unfold, and I'll be back in a few moments. If anything does pop up, I'll definitely leave some, tips in this video. Talk to y'all while I'm waiting for price to unfold. I'm gonna get this some live chats going on soon, so you'll be able to interact with me while I trade. But as of right now, I do need my full focus and attention on these charts. A lot of retail traders are impulsive traders. So what they would do is they would buy breakouts. So breakouts occur often in trading. They occur pretty much every few minutes. You can see breakouts, but depending on your perspective of the market, some people see larger breakouts and some people see smaller breakouts. So it all depends. And a breakout could be defined in any way people want. Some are swing traders, some are scalpers, some are position traders. But, we all see similar price action every day. So right now, there is a breakout that happened, and we have a lot of buyers that are swing traders that loaded on. But what they don't realize is that there is a resistance above. So if you bought it today expecting price to continue on up without being aware that there is some sort of highs in the past, then you might be upset. Now, I can't view it on this chart, but when I do go to my 30-minute chart, you all can see that there are some highs right here. Price did surge on up, and it's September highs. I apologize. So it is going to September highs. So monthly highs, it definitely broke through. But it is testing last month's highs and is currently rejecting those highs. What I need to see is it push through. What are y'all doing coming up to the highs and not doing anything? So that's suspect move number one. So for those of you that are swing traders, that's a tip. Always look to your left to see what highs you're about to approach. It might save you a lot of money. Now let's get back to reality and real time on the charts. So right now we do see price is currently taking a potential shift down, but it is showing strength back to the upside. I'm still not interested in buys at all because we are at some highs. I'm not interested in buys anymore. I'm only going to be looking for sells because to me, bulls slow down, and even if they keep popping up, I'm going to eventually short because it does not look good to me for buyers. Give me a few moments and I'm going to just break this down a little bit more, and I'll share my thoughts with y'all in just a moment. So this breakout right here is too early for me, but I already see a potential breakout to the downside. I'm just gonna wait just a little bit because I need to see more sellers step in. But this is a really nice sell if you got in up here. Like, like to me that would have been a nice little move, but I'm gonna wait. Nice, beautiful. It's what I was looking for, but I need to see some confirmation. Put my glasses on real quick. Can't even see nothing up there. Yeah, no sell yet. Definitely no sell. And isn't it ironic? It's such a couple pips away from September highs. It's right near those highs. Just happen to be struggling. believe this might be a false breakout, so I'm getting prepared. To me, this is a very, very close one, very tight one. Load up the shorts, yo. Should I? I'm gonna wait 3 more pips. If it breaks these lows, I'm loading up the shorts. Not yet. You see what it did? Say, no, not today. Not here, not today. That's what it said. The market always knows. Let's see what it does around here. If I could break these highs and show stronger buying, then I might go in for some longs because this is showing that it's breaking those September highs, but I need to see confirmation. So as I speak, let me just wind back a bit just to see what's going on. There's 4 seconds left here. And no, I'm not going long. Just don't really have the type of follow through I need. Looks like a potential false breakout. It's already looking like that was nothing. Nice. Breaks below these lows. I'm getting in. Just wait. It's a little pause right now. Tap these lows that we can. All right, I'm in some sells, y'all. Possible trend reversal, but this could be a bluff. We'll see. Stop losses are too wide. 5.3 pip stop loss is what I'm going with. Ooh, that's 17 pips. That's a lot. What does this look like? Look really nice Really nice setup for sales, possibly. 13 pips, so we can get it down, maybe like a little bit earlier, 12 pips around that zone, see if it hits. So this is a trade. Right, I'm officially in. So now we're just gonna watch price unfold. So you guys are seeing this in real time. I mean, it says 10:14 UTC2. I'm in Bangkok, so in New York right now, it's currently 4:14 a.m. And if you're in Los Angeles right now, it's 1:14. So just for y'all to know that I am trading this in real time. I don't do any of that pre-recorded stuff. Let's get back to my time frame. London, Berlin. See some buyers stepping in right now, but just a little concerned about that. Definitely be careful if you're trying to buy anything down here. This is a 2.5 to 1 reward to risk trade. It's a 2.5 R trade. So you have to wait for it to complete. We are on our way to profits. I'm on my way to profits. You all see my entry. So if it does spike back, y'all can see my exits. If it goes forward, you can see my profit. Currently at a 1-to-1 reward to risk right now, which is not bad because I'm risking 5.3 pips, but if I'm selling it with the intentions that the bears are going to continue from my point of profit. So let's see what happens. And I told you, if you're buying it or you're holding longs, be very careful. Ben said that. Now it's approaching my target, so I'm gonna trail this aggressively just so I can lock in some money in case things do go ugly. So now I'm risk-free for the trade, and now we're gonna watch it unfold because now it doesn't matter to me because I'm risk-free. So do whatever it wants down here, it doesn't matter with me because profit will be hit and I will be out of this trade, collecting the bread and being done for the day. I'm gonna trail this one aggressively, collecting at least 8-10, which is a 1-to-1 if price does not want to continue. It is showing weakness down below, so it looks like I'm possibly gonna close it out at $18. But this is still a 2-to-1. So now I don't have anything. I'm closing it right now. Boom. And we're out, guys. That was one trade in front of you, one and done, a 2-to-1, a 2R trade. And yes, for those of you wondering, it would have continued to hit the profit target had I let it. But because price is showing weakness in sellers down below, I do believe that there's a possible range forming, and I do not want to be a part of that. But for those of you that wanted to see, yes, it went completely down to that zone, and that was a one and done trade. Now let's continue to look at the markets, and I'll assess what I project to happen next. If I have time, maybe I'll take the next trade. So right now we are looking at potential bear market setting up, but the bulls can take over. What I would love to see is bears drive price down just a little bit more, and then possibly bulls step in. Then I might take price back to the highs of the day. But if price continues on going down like this, then there might be some more sellers stepping in, taking it all the way down to session lows, and that's a great selling opportunity. So I have about 30 minutes left of my day, and I'm going to just stop this recording, look for more trade setups, but I wanted to show y'all. So I won 2 trades today. Those are my only 2 trades of the day. Y'all can see, like, you know, I'm not lying. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys don't see any more arrows. This was my first trade. I took a profit. I got in, I got out. Like I said, it was an in and out. I thought price was going to reverse, so I didn't hold it on, but if I did, it was going to complete. It was going to go to completion, but I missed it. It's okay. Then I started recording, and then I took this final trade that you all see set up right now. In this final trade, I saw it hit the highs of the day, reject the last month's highs, and I called it out, and I called it short as a speak, and I got in literally 1 minute after the highs of the month. So this is scalping for you all. I don't pick tops. I just look for price action, and I just literally just trade my skill. So that's all for you all. Like I said, give this video a like, give me a follow, subscribe if you want to see more real-time trading. And yeah, y'all have a good day and trade safe.